Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I wanted to just show my custom Playmobil DeLorean lighting upgrades and a few other changes that I've done. So I just uploaded a video that showed this with all of the wiring apart and everything's just with the shell open and everything. So this is with it all closed, what it looks like. These are 3mm warm white LEDs with a step-up transformer, so it's still running off of the AAA batteries that are under here. And there's a switch here on the top that turns off the headlights and the interior cab light. So you can see there's the little orange light inside of there. And this actually has two wires, that little red and blue and orange and black on the other side, running up to actually power the light there in the cab. I kind of left them exposed intentionally because I thought it added detail to the interior, because it kind of looks like some sort of hodgepodgey kind of wiring job that could have been in the DeLorean anyway. And whenever that is turned on, you can also activate the lights, but if the switch is off, the lights will turn off also. And then an added bonus is this switch or button here. So if you push the button and flip the switch at the same time, it activates the Nonstop link. It's hard to do one-handed though. See if I can do it with my right hand. Nope. Might have to put my phone down. There we go. So you can see there, the Nonstop link is active now because I was pressing the button while I gave the computer board power and it booted it into Nonstop link mode. So even if you press the button on the bottom, it's not going to do anything. The computer board will continuously cycle in the same lighting mode. So it'll just keep doing the first pattern over and over and over. So if you want this in a display or anything, it's kind of nice. Also, I added additional blue lights here on the back. And you can see this one is linked to that light and this one is linked to that light. Because originally, when you looked at it, the front here would light up decent enough. It looks okay. And then here, only these two lit up, and they were brighter than the rest. And it just looked janky because the whole rest of this didn't light up at all. So I decided to go the extra mile and add two 3mm blue LEDs wired to those, and it was kind of hard to hack into the computer board because this has a very small computer chip running everything. But I successfully added those in, and they're just coming out of the side. I didn't drill any holes into the actual frame of the vehicle. Same thing with these button and switch. They're actually just fed underneath this black plastic piece. I just pulled it up and fed the wires through underneath. So now it looks a lot better because the time circuits actually light up almost the entire way all around the vehicle. So it just looks a lot better in general. Then another little thing I've decided to put in, since I had it apart and I recently bought the advent calendar set so that I can get the Back to the Future 3 add-ons, is I put a neodymium magnet inside of here. You can see it right underneath that vacuum tube. And then while the shell was apart, I put a large neodymium magnet glued to a piece of cardboard underneath. The reason why is if you open this up, there's a transparent bar that runs down here, and it was just in the right spot that it offset the magnet and kind of messed up mounting. So I had to level the whole bottom here with a small piece of cardboard and then glue the magnet to that. So now this actually just sticks on instead of needing a sticky tape, because they kind of give you 2 pieces of glue tape sort of thing to stick on there, which I thought was kind of lousy. So now this, you can just pull it off and stick it on. This piece in general doesn't really sit on the car very well, but it's much better with a magnet. So anyway, I think that pretty much concludes my little demonstration here of what the car looks like with all the added features. I think it looks much better though. Because, yeah, just having these really improve the lighting with the time circuits. And then obviously the headlights. I don't know why Playmobil never does headlights, but anyway, thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments about this, let me know. I'm also happy to consider modifying a Playmobil item for you. So if anybody wants a custom modified car or building or anything, I've done hundreds of different Playmobil electric projects at this point. So I also have an eBay shop, and so if you want to contact me or message me in the comments below, I'd be happy to consider doing your project, because I enjoy doing this on my free time. So anyway, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out the other videos on my channel.